Hi everybody, how are you? Today we are launching the brand It's a 10 in UAE, and we are happy. We are distributing and bringing It's a 10 for all Middle East. I hope that this brand will be good for everybody, for salon, for client, for everybody. Thank you very much for joining us this event.
I'm so excited to be here today in the UAE to launch with the Nazih Group.
Guys, I'm so happy to be part of this miracle. Goodbye!
البراند اسمها الساتان، وهي فعلا بالنسبة لي أتان because it has everything I'm looking for.
The best quality hair care within the professional industry.